Welcome back to day 4 of my $30 to $30,000 trading challenge. It was a wide ride, unexpected market dips, break-even trades, and some valuable lessons about trailing stock. Stick around and see how I managed through the chaos.
Guys, this trade is not giving me good vibes, but that does not mean I'm going to exit it. So it is either the trade takes me out or it takes me to profit. You see the push it used to drop. Look at this push with all these candles. It was supposed to come gradually or even come with this push, then just tap and go back up. But if you look at what is happening here, it's just, I don't know, but I don't have good feeling concerning this trade.
You can see the position right here. So let me show you my account now that we are already here. You can see that unified trading, I have $43.
So first of all, let me show you the H bar trade that actually went to a P&L. Let's go to all. Okay, this is the H bar trade, and you can see we got that one right. And look at the wave that was a break even. And look at Dodge here. So let's go back and check what actually made us to get this trade right. Back to trading view. I'll check H bar. So it's still the same thing that makes me to take trade. The same analysis. I saw that this has broken structure here, and then I took this because this is kind of consolidated here and broke out. So I took this as my order block, the whole of this red candle down here, and then I was to take trade from the middle, which is the other block threshold, but then I took trade from the top, and as you can see, it came to the middle. So, and that was how we got this one. So let's check Dodge too. Dodge. So Dodge USDT, this was the trade here. I also took this trade from 1 hour, seeing that there is a consolidation here and price broke out. Consolidation here and price broke out, so I waited for price to come down. As you can see, price even came down to the middle, but I did not also wait for the middle. I think I'll be putting my entry maybe a little bit above the middle, sniper entry. So, and this was the same thing I did, the same analysis, everything the same, and then it hits take profit. But then let's go to WIF, because WIF stuck me out at break even. WIF USDT. WIF USDT, you can see that it's still riding. It's still riding, but I'm not in this trade any longer. I put when I saw that it has taken out this high, I mark out this before, and I say when you take out this high, I will just break even. So I saw this candle and I said, okay, let me just break even. And the next thing, it came down and took me out. Now we're still going that way. So, but I am no longer in this trade. I think I will take this trade. I am going to take this trade. The middle. Just a little bit above. Put stop loss here. Now target the recent high. Before I forget, if you check here, you see that the unified trading is above 40. So my risk now is $4. That's the 10% of $40. So that's my risk in all. If you look at these pending orders, I have all these pending orders risking $4 each on every single trade here. Sol is going down. Let me check what's happening on Sol. This push here is very massive. Like this push, there's even a market structure shift here. This has already shifted structure here. Shifted structure here. A market structure shift. So this trade is kinda going to be a lose. Anyway, when I saw this trade, I know it is going to be this risky, because if you go to 4 hours time frame, you see that it was almost the same thing that happened on grass, but this is different. If you check 4 hour time frame, you see this fair value gap here. There's fair value gap here, and I was waiting for price to come down here, but then I mark out this day, high of day and low of day, and I said, okay, let me go down to 1 hour and look for consolidation and a breakout. And so I went down to 1 hour, and I saw that this consolidated here. Look at this consolidation, and then it broke out. So I waited for price to come down. Now the first price that came down did not tap me in. Look at where I was waiting for price to come. Look at where this one stopped. So I marked this one as liquidity. And said, okay, if price should come down again, it's going to take me to my TP. But then it came down and started doing all of this. So this might be a losing trade, because he's trying to break structure here. He's trying to break structure here, which is not supposed to be so. So this is my P&L. Grass. We lost $3 on grass. Then though you can see $7 and with no H bar $7. So we are up $11 as it stands right now. I think this is going to be a loss. This is going to be a loss. And we have triggered. Let's check what it's doing here. Guys, I slept off and waking up to see that we are doing great. Let's check Sol, because I was kind of giving up on Sol before. Meanwhile, WIF is doing nice. Okay, see what Sol did. Just came down, swept this guy, and now it has changed structure. Bullish. So we are still in. So guys, I want to take this position. I'm just seeing a good entry here. I've seen my setup, so I'm going to take it on Sol. So I want to add position on Sol. You can see I've updated my channel. I told them that WIF is moving, and look at WIF. And then this is Sol. I told them TP is black line, and this is because this is already a market structure shift. So I just want to take my profit at that other block. So Sol is moving. Let's check WIF. WIF is also moving massively. USDT. You can see that WIF is moving as well. Let's check. Now I will break even on WIF. I am going to break even on WIF right now because I've seen that it has broken structure. I am breaking even on WIF. These days I don't even check. I don't check my take profit. I only check my stop loss. I know the particular amount I'm risking, so there's no need of checking how much you are willing to get, so that one will not even put more hype and deal with your emotion. So I just check the risk and put only the risk, then put my take profit, whatever it is. It should just be 2 RR or more. And I cannot break even on SOL. You can see my SL and my TP has reduced, but that is not what I'm likely or mostly interested in. The most interesting one is this SL. I will not break even because if you check the chart here, I still have this position here, so it might likely rush down and then go up again. So I'm going to see our account is going up $50. I see notification that SOL have triggered the second position. Let's see what happens. So we got stopped at on WIF at break even again. This is the second time. Meanwhile, I think this SOL is running on loss. We got stopped out on WIF at break even. This is the second time this is happening. Look at it. At break even. Let's check how we got stopped out on WIF at break even again. And this is WIF. I think this is what I'll be doing. Maybe scaling. When it breaks structure, then my stop loss will just be here. Break structure, I put my stop loss below the other block. I think that's what I should be doing because we were already running 50-something%. I think that was a 1:1. This was almost TP. And look at what just happened. We got stopped out. I don't like this kind of thing. I think what I'll be doing is trailing. I will be exiting this trade, this SOL. I will exit it for raising close. For a reason. Look at this engulfing candlestick. I know that this market was not going to go up, and that is why I targeted this junction as my take profit. But then this market got here and did not move even further. But that's not the case. I saw something on 45 minutes. That's the reason why I actually closed that trade. Look at this. Let me show you what I saw here for 5 minutes. Look at this long candle, this long red candle, it is a very massive fair value gap. Let me show you something. A very massive fair value gap, and price has already, I was looking to take profit at this other block here. I took this as my other block, but I did not see this massive fair value gap. So that's how price can trick you sometimes. So I saw this on 45 minutes time frame, this massive fair value gap here that price has actually traded into the consequent encroachment. So that's why I exit this trade, because price will likely come to sweep this low, or this low here. Price will likely come and sweep here, or price will likely come down to this junction and make a double bottom here, but it is going to take me out. Remember, my SL is already here because I added position. So if I was to be holding just the trade, I would have maybe leave it to come and take me out by itself, but I added position, and this is another disadvantage of adding more positions. So I would like to know what you think about that anyway. So, but this is going to be a sell anyway. It's already a break of structure, so price will go down. So that's why I exit the trade, and I don't have any position running right now. The rest positions are pending. Guys, we lost BTC. We lost this BTC setup. Well, what made me to take this trade is that I saw that BTC consolidated here, and I just marked out this red candle as my other block, trying to take trade from the middle, the other block threshold, and targeting that place. So, but you can see that price did not respect this. Instead, it broke structure downward. We have a loss now on BTC. Two losses now, grass and BTC. And we hopped out on Sol USDT. You can see. We'll go to 15 minutes. Let's look at this. I just saw this. I saw this break of structure. Yes, that's a break of structure. Break of structure, and I know that this is not going to hold. So you can see that we would have lost Sol as well. Whoa, BTC is $5. BTC is $5. You can see Sol. This is Sol. BTC is $5. Whoa. Did you see that? So that is it for now. I'm just getting this notification that CATI has triggered. Let me check the chart. Yes, CATI. So wait for this to play out. Guys, I just came out of the bedroom to see that XRP has triggered, and we have 4 running trades right now. Look at them: BTC, TIA, CATI, and XRP. Guys, we are running massive in profits. Massive. You can see BTC, you can see TIA. TR has already done 2RR, and I am breaking even on TR. Massive, guys. This is live account. You can see that the unified trading is $50 right now. The funding reduced because I made some withdraw. I withdraw $10 to take care of some things. Guys, I just received notification that TIA has gotten to TP, and there was something funny here. I did not see ETH, and I placed the order. I think ETH went to SL. Like, look at it. It went to SL. ETH hit SL, but we have reached TP on TIA. You can see we reached TP on TIA. Guys, you can see how XRP is pumping. XRP is pumping so hard. Look at the trades we have running right now. XRP is pumping so mad. I don't know what's wrong with my network that is not opening trading view. So I would have just go to trading view and check what happened to ETH. But I actually have seen what happened to ETH here, but I've actually seen what happened to ETH. I took my buy from here, and I was supposed to use this other block here. So that was why I hit a sell on ETH. So, but that is part of trading. We are in profit massively. You can see XRP is pumping so hard. Let me update the Telegram. If you are not in the Telegram, if you are not in this Telegram channel, you are missing a lot. Let me update Telegram. XRP is pumping so hard, to the moon. Let's search to the moon. You can see. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. You can see that XRP is almost to our TP. XRP is almost to our TP. And we will wait until TP. Let's break even on XRP. Break even on XRP. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm breaking even on Kati. Because I know that anything that will make it to go below this guy, it is going to even go below this guy. So I'm breaking even on Kati. I'll be breaking even on BTC as well. Guys, look at what BTC is trying to do. BTC is trying to kick us out. I think I should be trailing. I think I should be trailing, and that is going to help me a lot. Because BTC, if to say I TP, maybe somewhere here, it would have been better. But look at what you want to do now. Want to kick me out. Look at SRP that was pumping. And look at where it went to. And now it's coming down to this point because BTC is dropping. Guys, if this trade take me out, then I am going to be trailing. Because I think the market is crashing. Guys, BTC just kicked us out. And XRP, I'll close XRP now.
I will close XRP now because no, I won't close XRP. I'll wait for it to take me out as well. Then next time when I am doing this, I'll be confident when I am trailing, because if I exit this XRP now and it later reverse, then I'll be on hard, I know, and I don't want to put myself to that. So let XRP come and kick me out on B. The next time I will know that maybe I'll be using 5 minutes to trade. Any break of structure, I'll put my stop loss behind. You can see what it's doing. Guys, I was not feeling so strong yesterday, but I woke up to see that XRP kicked us out. At break even. So guys, I'll be trailing now. Look at Kati. I closed Kati. I had to close Kati because I was not there. And what is actually happening to me is that I don't monitor this trade all the time because of some other things that I am still doing. And this is actually a kind of disadvantage I'm getting. Look at H bar. I entered H bar. I updated the channel, Telegram channel, when I entered this with setup for H bar, and H bar triggered, but I closed these two trades. I was the one that closed them because I wasn't there to look after the trade. I was feeling so down yesterday, so this is how this is going. I can't balance here. You see that the unified trading is $48. Unified trading. So we have this position now pending orders.
The market was highly volatile, teaching me the importance of acting quickly and adjusting my stop loss strategies. For example, I noticed Sol USDT left a very massive fair value gap on the 45 minutes time frame on charts, and this mistake cost me some profit. Similarly, BTC and ETH was triggered but didn't work out, adding to my losses. Despite this, TIA USDT hit TP and I managed to grow my account to $48. And there is something I decided to do. I have decided to implement a new rule. Once I am in profit, I will trail my stop loss below the 15 minutes break of structure or even the 5 minutes, and this way I can protect the profit even when the market turns against me. This strategy could have saved me from break-even exits. Here is what I noticed on the SOL chart. The initial push-up was for price to actually fill the fair value gap on 45 minutes time frame, but then it reached to the consequent encroachment of the fair value gap and then dipped even more. This sell-off taught me the importance of monitoring market conditions closely, or at least setting proper trailing stop. Actually, managing multiple positions can get tricky. For example, ETH kissed my stop loss even without me noticing it until I had to check my P&L. I am curious, do you think I should add more positions next time or just focus on fewer trades? Please let me know in the comments. After the ups and downs, my account is sitting at $48. Small gains, but in progress nonetheless. What I have actually learned is always protect profit with trailing stop, and I should not be taking trades that I cannot monitor. I think that is going to help me a lot. I would love to hear your thoughts on how I handled these trades and what you would have done differently. Thanks for following my journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. Comment below your stop loss strategy. I would love to learn from your insight. See you on day 5.